Hey everyone, welcome back to GegaBuilds Update. The renovation of the Spotify Camp Nou continues at full pace, and every day new milestones are being reached. With UEFA's latest inspection completed, Barcelona now has approval to play the first Champions League match away from home, giving workers a few more crucial weeks to advance progress before the September reopening target. From above, the transformation is striking. The roof structure is still pending, the dynamic ceramic fins are yet to be installed, and much of the exterior remains unfinished. But the vision of the new Espai Barça is becoming clearer. When complete, this stadium will be one of the most advanced in the world. One of the most visible developments is in the underground parking structure. Reinforcement bars and concrete slabs are expanding quickly, with new pillars rising and layouts for multiple levels already visible. Step by step, the foundations are turning into the skeleton of a modern, massive facility designed to maximize every square meter. On the lateral zones, scaffolding, panels, and supports are being installed, while the last footings for the parking structure are being completed. Staircases and temporary evacuation routes are also being adjusted as permanent solutions take shape. Even during weekends, construction activity remains intense, underlining the urgency of the coming weeks. Progress is also advancing across the exteriors. Prefabricated elements are being repositioned, protective coatings applied to floors, and preparations made for the installation of the ceramic fins that will define the stadium's iconic new façade. Deliveries of steel structures for these fins are already on site, signaling that installation could begin very soon. Inside the stadium, VIP zones are taking shape with ceilings, glass panels, and new lounges resembling the official renders. State-of-the-art installations for electricity, plumbing, air conditioning, and lighting are ongoing. Only the basic skeleton of the first and second tiers remains from the old stadium. Everything else is brand new. Work continues across the second and third tiers, with prefabricated slabs being set, blue safety nets expanding, and large cranes lifting beams into place. In some areas, the second ring is now close to being fully closed. Meanwhile, in the main tribune, steel reinforcement is being prepared for major upcoming concrete pours. At the Gol Nord, visible progress includes staircases, elevator cores, prefabricated seating elements, and safety structures. From above, the scale of the transformation is truly spectacular. Another highlight is the placement of the first formwork panels on one of the diamond-shaped entrances, an important milestone that marks the beginning of a new phase of construction. Step by step, the Spotify Camp Nou is regaining its shape. From the foundations to the stands, from interiors to the future roof and façade, every detail is bringing the project closer to reopening. The timeline is tight, but the progress is undeniable. This is not just a rebuild, it is history in the making. If you enjoyed this update, give it a like, subscribe to GegaBuilds Update, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Because the pace is only getting faster from here, with more updates arriving soon, so stay connected.